Oh my goodness, I am so excited to have finally received my shipment from Jarvis Janssen. It's my favorite, very favorite YouTube channel, and I've been watching it for, I don't know, maybe 3 years. They're renovating a chateau in central France, and I love the people. I love the Lalanders, Stephanie and Phillip in particular. Anyways, they came out with a Jarvis Janssen collection of all sorts of goodies, and I ordered, I'll show you what I ordered, but in the packaging, which is beautiful, is a picture that Stephanie's father painted, Derek, as a special thank you. Oh, I got it kind of wet. Sorry about that, but thank you so much for your continued support of Jarvis Janssen and purchase from our kitchen collection. As a token of our appreciation, we would like to offer you a print of Derek Jarvis' painting of Cransford Hall in Suffolk. This is the nursing home created by him and Isabel, that's Stephanie's mom, in which Stephanie grew up. Stephanie Jarvis, she's the sweetest. I wish I knew her. I feel like I do know her. Anyways, in which Stephanie grew up, and you can even see her wielding a paintbrush in the foreground. Derek entitled this painting, Abstracting from the Given. Anyways, I'll flip it back over and you can see there's little Stephanie, his depiction of little Stephanie. I'm not quite sure who that is. Maybe that's her dad, but she's painting his face, and there's Isabel painting on a canvas. Is this not beautiful? I mean, it's gorgeous. The colors, everything. They do now print scarves and just really beautiful textiles. So moving on to the packaging, I ordered some linens, kitchen linens from Jarvis Janssen, and look at this amazing packaging. The box is stunning, and when you open it up, the presentation is amazing. Again, Jarvis Janssen, and they sent along a recipe for Mediterranean stuffed vegetables. This is from Chantal and Stephen, which are Stephanie's aunt and uncle. I'm excited to try this recipe. And look at the packaging. Oh my, glorious. And here is the iconic peacock, because they have peacocks at their chateau, and that is the logo for their chateau, Chateau de Lalande. And I'm probably not saying that right because I'm nervous, but look at how pretty. This is actually a pocket for the apron that I ordered, and I can't wait to try the apron. I'm going to be wearing it today when I shoot a video for a recipe of mine. So that's the apron, along with the pocket. They thought of everything. The pocket you can attach or not wear if you don't want it, but they thought of everything. And up next, I also ordered some beautiful, same fabric, which is an amazing fabric. It just, you can tell everything is so well done, so well finished. Just the attention and thoughtfulness to detail is amazing. So these are kitchen towels from Jarvis Janssen. And the recipe included in this is Stephanie's. Actually, it's Chantal and Stephen, but I know Stephanie loves making this classic lemon drizzle cake. And I'm looking forward to making this one as well. Isn't that nice? You get two recipes, and here is the presentation for the kitchen towels. Look at how they're finished. I mean, they're just, I don't think I've ever had nicer kitchen towels, and I don't think I'm going to be using them. I'll probably wind up displaying. But the blue and white is iconic to the chateau, and they're redoing because of a leak that was unplanned. Of course, nobody plans on a leak, but Their kitchen is getting a total remodel, and it is turning out to be gorgeous. They're not finished yet. They have a little ways to go. And the Grand Salon, and oh my gosh, I'm just so excited to see all the changes that are happening to this chateau for the people, Stephanie and Phillip especially. And the chapel that was just redone, finished. Well, it's not finished yet, but it will be finished. And then I believe, because they are engaged, Phillip and Stephanie will be getting married in the chapel. And I just feel like I'm a part of their family, even though I'm not, but I just feel like I know them. So is this not gorgeous? And there's the peacock. And I just wanted to show these off because I am so excited to have finally gotten them. And I can't wait to use and wear them. And thank you, Stephanie and Phillip, Jarvis Jansen, and all the Lalanders for everything you do, because you guys fill my heart with joy, and can't say much more than that. So I love you all, Lalande, and thank you again. And I'll be watching. Can't wait to see more. Bye. Stephanie's channel on YouTube is called the Chateau Diaries, and it's everyday life at a chateau that they're renovating, and the cast of people, I was going to say characters, and of course they are all characters, but it's such a lovely group of people that come together to renovate the chateau, and it's just so much fun to watch. And it's family, Stephanie's mom and her brother, aunt and uncle, cousin, who's a master carpenter. It's unbelievable what the kind of work he can do. But anyways, the channel that I love the most is called the Chateau Diaries. So check it out on YouTube if you're looking for something fun and inspiring and just lovely to watch.